In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start page numbering from a specific section in Google Docs. Whether you're crafting an academic paper, a lengthy report, or just looking to get more organized, starting your numbering at a certain section can make your document much more professional and easier to navigate. So let's dive right into it. To begin, open your internet browser and head to docs.google.com. You'll need to log in using your Google or Gmail account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're in, open up the document that you'd like to work with. Now imagine you have a document with a lot of pages and you're looking to start numbering from a specific section, such as the introduction. First things first, place your cursor at the very beginning of the text in the introduction section. What we're going to do next is to create a section break. Head over to the insert menu at the top of the screen, and from there, go to break, and then choose section break. This break will separate the section you wish to start numbering from the previous pages. Now, it's time to insert the page numbers themselves. Once again, go to Insert, then Page Number. From the options that pop up, select the first style. You'll see that the page numbers appear throughout the entire document, starting from the very first page. But don't worry, we'll fix that to start from your specified section. Navigate back to the Introduction section where you placed the section break earlier. Click on the header, or wherever the page numbers are showing. You'll notice a small checkbox labeled Link to Previous. You need to uncheck this box. What this does is break the connection with the previous numbers, allowing you to start a new numbering sequence in this section. For the final touch, click on Options in the number settings and select Page Numbers from the drop-down menu. A small dialog box will open. Here, you'll see an option to set the numbering to start at a specific number. Since you want it to begin at the introduction, type in 1. After you've made your selection, simply hit Apply. And voila! You now have a fresh numbering sequence starting right at the introduction section. By following these steps, you have easily customized your document to start with the section that makes the most sense for your project. It's a small touch that makes a big difference in readability and professional polish. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful.